You ever walk into a living room and your eyes go straight to one wall? That is the TV wall, and in 2026, it can make or break the whole room. Today, we are counting down 20 luxury TV wall design trends that actually work in real homes, not just magazine photos. Some are budget-friendly. Some are full splurge. I will show you what designers are using right now, what to copy, and what to skip. Stick around for number 1. It is the trend I see on almost every high-end install this year. Number 20, the open shelf ledge. I see this in smaller homes that want a luxe look without a renovation. Mount the TV clean to the wall, add one slim floating shelf underneath, and stop there. 3 objects max: a vase, a few books, one sculptural piece. No giant entertainment center eating your floor space. Hide cables in a paintable channel, keep the wall warm white or grayish, and let empty space do the work. Measure your shelf to about 2/3 the width of the TV so it feels proportional. It is one of the cheapest trends on this list, and honestly, one of the most effective if you are good at editing what sits on that shelf. Number 19, charcoal microcement. If you want a gallery modern TV wall without full stone cost, microcement is a smart move. It reads seamless and architectural, hides minor wall flaws, and makes the screen pop. I like it in lofts and condos where plain drywall feels flat. Go dark charcoal behind the TV, then balance with a light sofa and warm floor lamp so the room does not feel like a cave. Add dimmable ceiling wash lighting and you get that high-end mood without a full media wall build-out. Pro tip: sample the finish in your actual light before committing to the whole wall. Number 18, white shiplap framing. And no, this is not farmhouse overload. Designers are using tight vertical shiplap as a clean frame around a centered TV. White or soft ivory boards, crisp trim, minimal styling. The vertical lines add height, which helps lower ceiling rooms feel taller. Keep the TV proportion balanced. Too small floats, too large overwhelms. Add black metal sconces or a thin black console leg and it feels current instead of rustic. This is a solid DIY-friendly trend if you are comfortable with trim work and paint. Number 17, geometric 3D panels. Flat drywall is out for people who want instant architecture. Ribbed, folded, or triangular panels create shadow lines that change through the day. Paint them one color so it feels luxe, not busy. Putty, taupe, or warm white works best. A thin LED wash at the top adds depth without screaming, "Look at my lights." Great option when you want a statement wall, but stone is too heavy for your budget or your wall structure. Install on one wall only, so the room does not feel like a theme park. Number 16, warm travertine slab. Travertine is everywhere right now because it feels sun-washed and expensive without loud veining. A honed slab behind the TV warms up the whole living room. Bookmatch 2 pieces if you can. If not, one hero panel with slim side reveals still works. Pair with walnut, linen, and brass accents. You are seeing this in Mediterranean modern and quiet luxury homes because it photographs beautifully and feels timeless, not trendy for 6 months. Seal it properly if the wall is near a kitchen pass-through with moisture. Number 15, fluted wood columns. Instead of cladding the entire wall in wood, flank the TV with vertical fluted pilasters. The grooves catch light and feel custom fast. Oak, walnut, or white oak stain all work. Keep the center panel calm with plaster, paint, or stone so the wall does not turn muddy. Symmetry matters. Matching columns on both sides make the TV feel designed, not randomly hung. This is a strong middle budget trend with big visual return. Prefab fluted panels can cut install time if you are not doing full custom millwork. Number 14, smoked glass display niches. Luxury TV walls are becoming display zones, not just screen mounts. Recessed niches with smoked glass shelves sit on each side of the TV, backlit with warm amber light. Style them with ceramics, books, or sculpture, not remotes and charging cables. The glass softens the glow and adds depth. When the TV is off, the wall still looks finished. Plan wiring inside the niches early so you are not running visible cords later. Even shallow niches work if you keep objects minimal. Number 13, brass picture ledges. Thin brass shelves beside or around the TV create a collected editorial look without built-in cabinetry. Lean art, ceramics, or small objects with height variation. Brass warms cool walls immediately. Restraint is the whole game. 3 ledges with 2 items each beats a crowded styling moment. Neutral plaster or Limewash behind the metal makes it read jewelry-like. Huge in Parisian modern living rooms right now. Mix brushed brass with matte black TV hardware for a cohesive finished story. Number 12, Limewash plaster texture. Stone, not your thing? Limewash adds luxury with softness. That cloudy, hand-finished movement catches light and makes a mounted TV feel intentional instead of stuck on a blank wall. Warm whites and sandy neutrals are the safe bets. Add a curved sofa and natural rug, and the room instantly feels more designed. Bonus for families, Limewash touch-ups are easier than perfect drywall repairs. It is a great middle ground between paint and full stone cladding. Number 11, black steel frame outline. Architects box the TV zone with a thin black metal frame, not industrial pipe shelving. A clean graphic outline that says this wall was planned. Inside the frame, you can use plaster, wood, or stone. It works great in lofts and open plans where you need structure. Balance it with soft textiles so the room does not feel cold. One oversized art piece elsewhere helps too. Keep the frame proportioned tight to the TV field so it frames the screen, not the entire room. Number 10, vertical walnut slats. Wood slats are still dominating TV walls in 2026, but vertical orientation is the update. Walnut or smoked oak beside the screen draws the eye up and makes ceilings feel taller. Pair slats with a neutral stone or painted center panel so it does not go sauna core. Leave breathing room around the TV. A soft backlight behind the center field adds depth without a Vegas glow. This is one of the most copied trends on social media for a reason. It photographs well and reads warm on camera. Number 9, Bookmatched quartz slab. Engineered quartz and large format porcelain have gotten so good that bookmatched slabs are now a go-to luxury move. The veining meets at the center like a butterfly wing. That symmetry reads expensive immediately. Choose honed or matte finishes to cut glare on the wall and on the screen. One slab pair plus a floating console is enough. Skip busy decor in front and let the stone carry the room. Have your fabricator dry fit the slabs before adhesive goes up, so the vein alignment is perfect. Number 8, cracked stone with LED glow. This is the cinematic trend people save on Pinterest. Textured stone panels with deliberate split lines hide LED channels behind the surface. Warm 3000 Kelvin light, not rainbow RGB, keeps it elegant. Best on one hero wall in a slightly darker palette. Surrounding walls stay quiet, so the glow is the moment. It is dramatic, but when done right, it still feels residential, not a hotel lobby. Use a dimmer so you can run it bright for movie night and soft for everyday living. Number 7, floating media console. If you do only one upgrade, start here. Lift the media unit off the floor and the whole room breathes. 16 to 20 inches of clearance is the sweet spot. Hide outlets inside, ventilate consoles properly, and use push-to-open doors for a clean front. Walnut, oak veneer, or matte lacquer all work. It pairs with almost every wall treatment on this list. Fast visual win, relatively low cost. Anchor into studs and use a rated French cleat or rail system so the float feels solid, not scary. Quick pause while you are saving ideas. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next home design breakdown. Number 6. Floor-to-ceiling stone cladding. Monolithic is the word of the year. Full-height marble, quartzite, or large-format porcelain turns the TV wall into architecture. The screen feels embedded in the stone field. Tight joints and book matching sell the luxe look. Add ceiling washlight and a soft base glow so the wall has dimension at night. This is a bigger investment, but it transforms open living rooms with tall ceilings. Budget tip. Porcelain large format tile can deliver a similar look at lower weight and cost. Number 5. Recessed media niche. Instead of surface mounting, set the TV into a deep niche with plaster or stone returns. Depth creates real shadow lines. Build the opening slightly wider than your current TV for future upgrades. One concealed LED line at the back adds a halo without overdoing it. Perfect for homeowners who want custom millwork energy without paneling the entire room. Talk to your contractor about ventilation and access for HDMI swaps before drywall closes up. Number 4. Gallery wall integration. The TV becomes one frame in a curated art grid. Black frame TVs help because they blend with black picture frames. Lay out the grid on the floor first. Balance sizes, keep gaps consistent, and align one horizontal line with your sofa sightline. Done right, the TV is there when you need it, but the wall still feels like a home, not a showroom dedicated to one screen. Use museum putty on ledges if you have kids or pets in the house. Number 3. Dark Onyx Monolith. Deep onyx with smoky veining is pure drama. The TV feels like it is sitting inside jewelry. Use it in rooms with enough daylight so the wall does not crush the space. Warm wood, caramel leather, and brass keep it livable. Cove lighting at night pulls out the veins. Budget alternative, high-quality dark porcelain with similar movement. Same mood, easier install. This is a splurge trend, but it holds value if you plan to stay in the home long-term. Number 2. Gold vein marble statement. Gold threading through white or cream marble is the classic power wall. Center the TV on the vein pattern when you can. Minimal sconces or concealed slots. Low, streamlined furniture so the stone stays the star. Many installs now use porcelain marble look slabs that are lighter and simpler to handle. Done well, it still reads penthouse. This is the trend clients ask for by name when they want instant wow at the entry sightline. And number 1, the cinematic monolith halo wall. This is the full package trend. Full height stone or large format slab, wood slats or fluting for warmth, recessed or floating media zone, hidden wires, display niches, and layered cove lighting creating that halo so the wall feels like it floats. It is not one material winning, it is the combination. Stone for weight, wood for warmth, light for mood, negative space for calm. Build in phases if you need to. Stone first, lighting second, floating console third. Guests pause at this wall. That is the goal. This is what I would copy if you want one trend that future-proofs the whole living room. That is 20 luxury TV wall design trends for 2026. If you are starting this weekend, try floating the console or adding a soft halo light first for the fastest upgrade. Save this video if you are planning a media wall remodel later this year. Tell me in the comments which number fits your living room. Subscribe for more home design tips and TV wall ideas you can actually use.